Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making an infused hair tonic using rosemary and rice for hair growth. Rosemary helps stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Rice contains essential amino acids, like lysine, which supports collagen production for strong hair, arginine, which boosts scalp circulation for optimal hair growth, nutrients-dense, bursting with vitamin E, zinc, and iron. Rice nourishes your hair. Apply this hair tonic after your shampoo. Do not rinse.